Okay, so we're wanting to subtract these two roots, and you know the rules for roots. You can only add, subtract like roots, meaning, 5 root 3 minus 12 root 3 will be minus 7 root 3, only like roots. Okay, so as we look at this and this, they're not like roots, but we need to simplify them, huh? So that's the first thing. So let me take that first one, the minus 2 root 28x. And then I'll put the other one over here. I'll just kind of separate them, give a little room here. We have to simplify both of them. So let's start with this guy. So 28 is 4 times 7. That's 2 times 2 times 7, right? And those won't go any further. So what does that mean? It's minus 2 square root of 2 times 2 times 7 times x. So I broke down the 28x. All right, then what happens from there? Well, it's 2 for 1 deal. So 2 2's in, sends 1 2 out, multiplying that other 2 that was already in the front. And so what do we end up with? Minus 4 root of 7x. Okay, now it's the other one's turn. So break that down. Use your calculator. That's going to be, I don't know, what is that? But I think about money, a bunch of quarters. How many quarters in $1.75? 4, 7? 7 times 25, 7 quarters in $1.75. Just use your calculator. And then that's 5 times 5. So 755. All right, so this becomes then minus 8 square root of 755x. Okay, and then 2 for 1 deal, 2 5's in, sends 1 5 out, they're gone. And so what do we get here? Minus 40 square root of 7x. Okay, now that we've simplified both of them, now we can combine them. Notice this and this are now like roots, huh? So we can combine them. So minus 4 of the root 7x's and minus 40 is minus 44 of the root 7x's. And that's our answer. So once you've got them simplified, you just see if they're like roots. And if they are, then you just combine the numbers in the front. Notice I just combined the negative 4 and the negative 40 to be negative 44. And then you don't do anything with the root, which is exactly what you do with letters, right? Think about what if you had minus 4x minus 44x? You would make it minus 48x, just like that. Or I meant to do the same, but I messed up. Minus 4 minus 40. You would just make it minus 44x, like that. Right? It's not x squared. You don't do anything with the x. That's only when you multiply. It's only x squared when you multiply. So yeah, so it's what we do with roots is exactly what we do with letters, meaning you just combine the numbers in the front and bring down the letter. Same thing here. Numbers in the front, minus 44, bring down the root thing, like roots. So there we go.